Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about this beautiful purple Crochet scare blanket. It's easy to make and perfect for beginners. Just look at this stunning pattern. The squares are simple but they create a lovely design when put together. This blanket is not only beautiful but also super cozy. It's perfect for snuggling up on the couch with a good book or a movie. The yarn we used is soft and easy to work with. The different shades of purple give it a rich, elegant look. Each square is made using basic crochet stitches. If you know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet, you can make this blanket. Making the squares is quick and satisfying. You can do a few each day and watch your blanket grow. Once you have enough squares, it's time to join them together. This part is really exciting because you can finally see the full blanket coming together. Joining the squares is easy. You just use a simple whip stitch or slip stitch to connect them. Close up of the border of the blanket. To finish it off, we added a new border. This gives the blanket a polished look. And there you have it. A beautiful purple crochet scare blanket that's easy to make and looks amazing. This blanket makes a great gift for friends and family. It's handmade with love, which makes it extra special. The soft yarn and the cozy designs make it perfect for any season. It keeps you warm in winter and is light enough for summer. You can see this blanket in so many ways. Thanks for watching this video.